Are you ready to read, watch, listen, and vote? Welcome to Battle of the Books! Go to the Townley Library webpage. Find the capstone box on the right. Click on it. Type in the name of the book in the search box. Read, watch, and listen to this week's stories. Then use the QR code or the website address to vote for the story that you liked the best. Week 1, Krypto versus Amazing Superman. Which book will you vote for? Week 2, Batman's dog Ace versus Alien Superman. Which 2 books will be in the championship round? Which book will be the ultimate book champion for this year's Battle of the Books? Read, watch, and listen. Your vote matters.